Microsoft Word is more than just a word processor. It's a powerful productivity tool that can save freelancers and students countless hours. In this video, I'm going to share some of my favorite word hacks that help you write faster, stay organized, and produce polished documents with minimal effort. First up is using styles and headings. Instead of manually changing fonts and sizes for titles or subheadings, apply Word's built-in heading styles. Not only does this keep your document consistent, but it also works with the navigation pane, allowing you to jump between sections instantly. This is especially helpful for long essays, reports, or client proposals. Next is Quick Parts and AutoText. If you frequently type the same phrases, disclaimers, or signatures, save them as reusable blocks. This allows you to insert them anywhere with just a few clicks, a huge time saver when you're juggling multiple projects or assignments. Another productivity booster is track changes and comments. If you collaborate with clients, teachers, or team members, these tools let you review edits, leave notes, and accept or reject changes without creating multiple versions of the same document. It keeps everything organized and reduces back-and-forth emails. Don't forget Read Aloud. Listening to your work helps catch errors or awkward phrasing that your eyes might skip. It's a simple way to proofread faster and improve the clarity of your writing. Combine this with Word's editor tool, which checks grammar, style, and conciseness, and you'll have professional-level documents in no time. Another hidden hack is keyboard shortcuts. From basic ones like Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and Ctrl+Z, to formatting shortcuts like Ctrl+B for bold or Alt+Shift+Up-Down, arrow to move paragraphs, shortcuts help you navigate and edit documents much faster. Mastering just a few can save hours over a week of work. Finally, use templates. Word offers templates for reports, proposals, resumes, and more. Starting with a template saves setup time, ensures proper formatting, and helps maintain a professional look, so you can focus on content instead of design. By combining these hacks, styles, quick parts, track changes, read aloud, keyboard shortcuts, and templates, freelancers and students can work smarter, not harder, producing documents faster and more efficiently. If you found these productivity hacks useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, tutorials, and time-saving tricks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.